Okay, so in this next part, we'll be solving some questions. So look at first question 3. We'll just do one question or two, and the same for question 4. So on question 3, we'll pick 6. Yes, we can pick 6. Pick this one. So that is, the question is expressed as, we need to find this vector. We need to perform the indicated operation. So we've been given the value for v, we've been given the value for 2 or for u. So before we perform the magnitude, we first need to simplify what is inside. So, and what is inside is, we have the vector v. So vector v is negative 2, 4. We're adding this to 2, negative 3, negative 2. So first we need to simplify what is inside, and you apply this with the other expressions. So let's simplify. So we have negative 2, 4 plus. So since 2 is a representation of a real number like k, we multiply it throughout the vector. So that is, we'll have inside negative 6, negative 4. Then now we can perform vector addition. So we'll add the x component with the x component. So negative 2 will add with negative 6. So that is, negative 2 plus negative 6 will be negative 8, and then 4 plus negative 4 will have 0. Okay, so this is the vector. Then now we find the magnitude of this vector. So the magnitude, we say it is the square root of the first a squared plus b squared, so 0 squared there, which is just 0. So this is just the square root again of 64, which is just 8. So our magnitude there is 8. So that's how you deal with such a question. So first you simplify inside, then you work out the magnitude. Okay, then we can also work out, for the sake of practice, we can work out 6 here as well, and also pick maybe 9. Okay, so here we have we've been given the expression, which is 1 over 2 u minus 3 over 4 v. So we've been given the values for u, been given the values for v, so we need to replace them. So we have 1 over 2 multiplying the vector u, which is 3i minus 2j, then minus 3 over 4 multiplying negative 2i plus 3j. So multiplying the k, the value of half throughout the expression, will have 3 over 2 I minus half by 2 will just be 1, so we'll just have j here. Then multiplying this with the negative value, we'll have, when negative 3 and negative 4 meet, we'll have, when negative 3 over 4 is multiplied with negative 2, the 2 will go into the 4 and to become a positive because they are negatives, so we'll have positive 3 over 2 I, then negative 3 over 4 by that will have negative 9 over 4 j. So looking at this this stage where we've reached, we can just add the vector components of I, and also for j. So that is, we'll have 3 over 2 I plus 3 over 2 I. Then we also have negative j minus 9 over 4 j. So we can simplify this. So 3i plus 3i, this is just adding the numerators, so we'll have 6 over 2, which is just 3i. So this is just 3i. Then on another part, we have negative 1 minus 9 over 4, that is just, so this is just negative 13 over 4j, and it's done. Our next question is, we said 9, which is this. So like the previous one we did, we're going to work out what is inside first before we can do the magnitude. So we are having 2. Our vector v is negative 2i plus 3j. Then plus 3, our vector u is 3i minus 2j. Okay, so we can work it out. So this will give us negative 4i plus 6j, then plus, we multiply the 3 throughout, so I have 9i minus 6j. Then working on the like terms, we have negative 4i plus 9i, that will give us 5i. Then 6j minus 6j, that is just 0, so we'll just have this vector component, and this is just 5, and the magnitude of 5 will just be 5. Yes, and it's done.